Today I'm going to show you how to make billions, what do I say? Trillions on Amazon, trillions of dollars on Amazon while sitting your ass on the couch all day watching TV. You want to get that new Ferrari puro sangue? You want to get that new mansion with the view on the beach? You are at the right place. Let me introduce you to Tactical Arbitrage, where you can just run a little bit of, like a few search and like make a lot of money. All right, if you believe it, everything I said, no bitch, it's not how it works. All right, this is not how it works. You are thinking about tactical arbitrage wrong, and the fact that you have that mindset when it comes to tactical arbitrage is why you are not seeing the words, like you are not judging this software right. This is a great software, but you're seeing it wrong, and you are using it, you're not using it the right way in your business, right? So before I talk about that, we have a Discord server for this channel. Best place to hang out with other sellers, best place to learn, best place to ask any questions you may have on Amazon, because I'm always over there hanging out, answering questions all day. So yeah, still remember to leave comments on this video, because ever since we got the Discord server, you guys leave less comments. So remember to leave comments here. All right, so let's start. As I said, a lot of you guys are thinking about tactical arbitrage wrong, and it doesn't matter if it's tactical arbitrage, tactical expander. You are thinking about the place those software have inside your business wrong. Why do I say this? Because a lot of you guys think that you can just get tactical arbitrage and run search, and just that you're going to find a ton of products. You're going to scan 10 products and you're going to find 10 products. This is not how it works, right? You're going to have a lot of mismatch. You're going to have a lot of products that are not getting pulled, right? So you may run a search and look at the page manually, and a lot of products are not going to get pulled. It's normal. It's always going to happen. And this is why I say that you should always look through the stuff that you scan manually. Always. Like, maybe not at everything if there's like 100 pages, but you need to look at them. All right? So the reason why I'm saying you think about it wrong is because it's pretty much... have you ever seen that show? I think it's on Hulu. It's called Gold Rush. Have you ever seen those guys looking for golds? Right? They have those big machines, those big machines, right? They have those big machines, and they throw inside those big machines, they throw tons, metric tons of dirt, like tons and tons of dirt, just so at the end of the season, they can get like a small jar of gold. And basically what this machine does is like it's I don't really know how it works. Like it uses I don't even like filters and stuff, and so it filters the dirt and the gold, like when it's because the golds, like the gold nuggets, are not as fine as the dirt, and they throw a lot of dirt into those things. Just watch the show. It's a great show, by the way. They throw tons and tons of dirt every single month just to have a few pounds of gold. If they actually have a few pounds of gold, I don't even like. It's just jars, it's just small jars, like not bigger than a water bottle. And this is what they do for the whole season. And yes, a lot of gold is gonna go through and is not gonna get catched by those machines, but those machines actually help them cover more ground. Like instead of looking through a lot of dirt manually, you just throw everything inside that, and yes, you're gonna miss some stuff. You're gonna miss some stuff, but you're gonna miss some stuff, but you're gonna be able to go through, like a lot of space way faster. And this is how it works as well with tactical arbitrage. You need to think about it the same way. Yes, it's gonna miss product. Yes, some stuff is not gonna get returned. Yes, you're gonna have a lot of mismatch, right? But you need to refine your search, whatever you got. Even when you got the gold with those machines, you need to wash it, okay? To remove the dirt, remove all that stuff that's around it. Like think of that raw thing that you get outside of the machine. Think of it as the gold that you need to wash, that you need to refine before being able to make it into a brick and actually weight it and see how pure it is and stuff. This is the same thing. You're gonna go, even when you have tactical arbitrage filtering stuff out, you're still gonna have to go through a lot of dirt, right? You're gonna have like 500 product returns. Maybe 5 of them are gonna be good, and not even, right? Maybe 5 of them, and you need to go through data fast. That's it. That's how it works. Tactical arbitrage is a great software. You're just using it wrong. It's a great software. You need to think about it this way. Same thing. For example, let's take a military parabola, to explain that. So military does what they call carpet bombing, right? So if you know that the bad guys are, if I should say that, I should not say that. Let's say if you know that what the guys that the military consider bad, the guys that the military want to kill, right? Let's say they are the bad guys, right? I'm not taking any sides. I don't care about all that stuff. But like, let's say, they want to kill the bad guys. They are not always going to use those drones to bomb exactly one location, because sometimes they just don't know where the guy is, right? So what they do is carpet bombing, all right? They leave a lot of bomb covering an area, and hopefully it kills the guys, but at least, the guys are gonna get out of where they were hiding, because maybe it's gonna get destroyed and stuff. And when the guys are getting out, they're gonna send them drones to actually like send laser missile, like super precise missile with laser precision to kill those guys. All right, think of it the same way. You are going to use TA to actually, filter the stuff. And sometimes you're going to find a product from a certain brand. For example, you're going to find a Nike product, from that search. And you're going to say, oh, they have Nike products. Let's see what other Nike products they may have. They may have other variation, and go a little bit deeper, Same thing with as with carpet bombing. Same thing as, with those guys in the show Gold Rush, like the Gold Hunter and stuff. Same thing. This is the way you need to think about tactical arbitrage, all right? It's gonna give you need to feed the machine, you need to feed it with a lot of data, right, to be able to have a lot of products. But don't think that you're gonna run one search and that you're gonna find 100 products. You're gonna have 100 products that's returned, but like, even if you have 100 products that's returned, maybe one is gonna be good, maybe none are gonna be good. All right, and this is why you need to go through data fast. Whether you are doing tactical arbitrage, whether you are doing reverse sourcing, it doesn't matter what you do. You need to go through data fast, because a lot of the leads that you're gonna see are gonna be trash. With every single method, no software is gonna give you 10 products that are 10 good leads. All right, you're gonna have a 1% hit rate, maybe less, and this is just the way it goes, guys. This is just the way it goes. Tactical arbitrage is still a great software. Just try to think of it as a machine. Same thing, where you need to put a lot of dirt. You need to put a lot of dirt in, so it's going to refine whatever you have and give you some gold. Same thing, you need to throw a lot of dirt into it. This is how business works. This is how life works. You cannot just find, like, you're using a machine, all right? The machine allows you to cover, like, to return a lot of dirt, all right? Put a lot of dirt into it, you're going to get a lot of gold. You cannot just put a small bag, like a small, like just one ton of. They're putting tons and tons and tons of dirt just to have a few pounds of gold. Just think about it. Think about it. It's the same thing. It's the exact same thing. It works the same way. Watch the show, by the way. It's a great show. If Hulu can send me some money for that, please, Hulu, sponsor me. So we can make things better on the channel. But yeah, that's today's video. Try to think about tactical arbitrage this way. Feed it a lot of data, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. I release a new video every single day at 3 p.m. Watch those other videos on the screen. Thank you for watching.